So we recently noticed that sometimes the dash lights work, sometimes they don't. Sometimes the horn works, sometimes it doesn't. It really depends on what's going on with the steering wheel placement. Sometimes if you turn it slow, it'll come back on. Quick telltale is if the lights turn on the buttons. Sometimes the horn works. So what does that mean? Did a little bit of digging. There's something online for on the Mopar website under the extended warranty section. There's a FCA warranty extension X68 for this vehicle. What does that mean? Well, it means that they are aware that there's a problem with the clock spring, and in the link below you can actually get to the two sites, one to check if your VIN is within the range, and also what different symptoms they're expecting to see. So first thing I wanted to do is, even before bringing it to the dealer, I wanted to have an idea whether or not this vehicle was going to be in that range. So with JScan, I can do an advanced scan, and it'll go through the vehicle electronics, check for a bunch of codes, and doesn't matter how often I clear it, this U1109 comes back. That means that the vehicle knows that there's a problem with communicating through the clock spring, impacting the controls here, the lights on both sides. Cruise still works, but the horn is intermittent. And because there's a potential safety issue here, because the airbag also works through that clock spring, as long as one of those different codes is registered by your vehicle, you should be covered under the extended warranty. So what does that mean? Time to bring it into the dealership and see if this X68 extended warranty is going to be applicable to this vehicle. Stay tuned. I got some good news and some bad news. Dealership says yes, it is covered under the extended warranty for that clock spring. However, the part's back ordered, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit for it to come in stock, and waiting for a call back. So if you have the same problem with your clock spring, definitely get it checked to see if you're within that range, if you're covered by that X68 extended warranty, and hopefully this resolves your problem. Thanks for watching.